Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that combines raw power, stunning visuals, and extreme durability, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is one of the most impressive machines available in 2025. This laptop is built not just for gaming but for creators, developers, and anyone who needs uncompromising performance on the go. At the heart of this beast is the Intel 14th generation Core i7-14650HX processor, a powerhouse featuring 16 cores and 24 threads, with turbo boost speeds of up to 5.2 GHz. This ensures lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, editing videos, or running multiple heavy applications at the same time. Pair that with 64GB DDR5 RAM at 5600 MHz, and you have a laptop that handles even the most demanding workflows without breaking a sweat. Graphics performance is equally impressive. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB GDDR5 brings next-gen graphics to your fingertips, supporting advanced technologies like ray tracing and DLSS 4. Games look sharper, more realistic, and fluid, with vibrant colors and lifelike lighting. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures or engaging in fast-paced FPS games, the 16-inch FHD+ display with a 165Hz refresh rate and 300 nit brightness ensures tear-free, ultra-smooth visuals with NVIDIA Adaptive Sync. The 16:10 aspect ratio also gives you more vertical screen space, which is perfect for gaming, productivity, and creative work alike. One of the most striking features of the ASUS TUF F16 is its military-grade durability. Tested to MIL, STD, 810H standards, this laptop can withstand the rigors of daily use, accidental bumps, and even long gaming sessions in challenging environments. The cooling system is top-notch, featuring dual arc flow fans, full-width heatsinks, and dust filters, keeping the laptop cool and quiet even under heavy load. With the MUX switch and advanced Optimus technology, you get optimized performance and extended battery life up to 10 hours, so you can game or work longer without reaching for the charger. The laptop also brings a suite of smart features for convenience and efficiency. The backlit RGB keyboard with a Copilot key lets you customize lighting while keeping your commands close at hand. Facial recognition ensures secure login, while Dolby Atmos audio and high-resolution speakers deliver immersive sound whether gaming, streaming movies, or making video calls. Connectivity is comprehensive, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, USB Type-C with power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, Ethernet, and a universal audio jack, making it a complete hub for all your peripherals. Storage is another standout feature. With 4TB SSD Gen 4 storage, you get blazing fast read and write speeds, massive space for games, media, and project files, and nearly instant boot times. Combined with Windows 11 Pro, this laptop offers a smooth and secure operating system with powerful productivity tools for both gaming and professional use. In summary, the ASUS TUF F16 gaming laptop is a true powerhouse. It delivers unmatched gaming performance, exceptional graphics, incredible multitasking capabilities, and military-grade durability, all in a sleek, stylish package. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or someone who demands the best from a laptop, the ASUS TUF F16 is designed to handle it all. With its combination of speed, visuals, and reliability, this is one of the best gaming laptops you can invest in for 2025. If you want a laptop that doesn't compromise on performance, display, or durability, the ASUS TUF F16 is an outstanding choice. From gaming to creative work to everyday productivity, it's designed to perform at the highest level and keep up with your demanding lifestyle.